This screencast provides instructions on how to use the interactive Google Apps for Education training system. So in any of your applications, you'll see at the top right the training module with a down arrow. If you click on that, you'll have access to all the training modules that are in that particular application. So in Google Calendar, for example, you can see that all the training modules are specific to Google Calendar. If I were to go to Google Drive, you'll see that they're all specific to Google Drive. So I'm going to go back to Calendar, and you can find one that you're interested in getting some more training or information on, or you can search for that particular option. And if you can see, I already completed one, Enable Keyboard Shortcuts, and you'll see that there's a green check mark, which means I completed that one, but I can always go back to it. So let's say I want to change my default calendar view. I can click it, and the module will begin.
To change the default calendar view, first click on the gear icon.
So you get the audio instructions as well as visual instructions and cues, and then you just click along the instructions.
Then go to Settings. If you have found a calendar view you always prefer to use, you can have Calendar loaded by default. Under the General tab, you will see the option to change your default calendar view down here. Simply select the view you want, then scroll down to the bottom and click on Save.
So I can click it. I'm okay with month view. Click on Save, and that lesson is now completed. You can redo it if you need to. And if you go back up into training, you'll see that both now I've got two done that have green check marks. If I want to check on my settings for all of my training, I can go down to Settings in any of my applications with training, and you can see that I've completed two trainings for the Google Apps. They have instructional videos, support if you have need any assistance from the training center. You can email them directly, and then your dashboard again has all the information on your completed training sessions. If you have any other specific questions or concerns about the training for Google Apps, please email Christina Nicosia.